All right, hello geometry students. So what we're going to look at today, you can see we are in Khan Academy. And for Khan Academy, you can log in using Google. I'll make a separate video where I explain how you can add yourself into my class on Khan Academy so that I can see what you're doing. But you can see I'm logged in, and I can tell I'm logged in because it's got my username up here at the top. And so when you're on Khan Academy, you can go through that login process and watch my Khan Academy login video before you get to this part. So the thing I'm focused on here is a unit that they have on equations and geometry. So this is basically where algebra and geometry kind of connect. And most of you are coming out of algebra, coming into geometry. We did a little bit of practice on IXL and the linear equations. And I just want to show you a couple of skills that you could practice here on Khan Academy. There are also videos you can watch, obviously, and any of these you're welcome to watch. But I'm going to go through just doing a few of the problems here. And we're just going to do equation practice with segment addition. I want to show you how a linear equation can have kind of something to do with geometry. So let's click Let's Go here. So what they're telling me here is that if jk equals 6x plus 2, so that's when it says jk, two letters there, they're talking about the length between j and k. So this little line segment that I'm kind of highlighting with the pointer here. So that's 6x plus 2. And KL is equal to 7x plus 4. 7x plus 4. I feel like I'm talking like the Khan Academy guy just because I'm on Khan Academy's website. Anyway, so this whole long thing, JL, going all the way from J all the way down here to L, is 45. So we know that's the total length is 45. And if we know one piece is 6x plus 2 and the other piece is 7x plus 4, well, those two pieces added together must equal 45. So we're looking at 6x plus 2 plus 7x plus 4 equaling 45. Well, I can just add these two expressions together. So that makes 13x plus 6. So 13x plus 6 equals 45. And if I'm solving that, 13x plus 6 equals 45. My handwriting's a little sloppy here, but hopefully you get the idea. First thing I want to do here is subtract the 6 on both sides. That gets me down to 13x equaling 39. I divide by the 13, and I get x equals 3. When I go back to Khan Academy, before I submit that answer, notice that if I had been stuck, I could have watched a video or used a hint. I wasn't stuck. I was pretty sure I knew how to solve it. But before I click check, I want to just kind of plug it in and see what happens. So 6 times 3 is 18, plus 2 makes 20. So JK is 20. Plausible enough. I can believe that. 7 times 3 is 21, and 21 plus 4 makes 25. So that means KL is 25. Well, yeah, I can believe that. 20 and 25, sure. KL looks just a little bit longer. Okay, so 25 for this one and 20 for this one seems reasonable. They also add up to 45, which is what I wanted. So yes, I'm pretty sure 3 is the right answer. I click check, and what? Give it another shot. I made the mistake that students often make. I fell right for it. I did not answer the question they were asking. So you just saw me do it. At some point you'll do it. We all make this mistake, but try to avoid it as best you can. Make sure you answer the question they are asking. They didn't ask me what x would equal. It said find KL. So the answer they're looking for is what you get when you plug that x in. So the 3 here means 7 times 3 is 21, and 21 plus 4 is 25. They wanted the 25. So there you have it. Even your teacher makes this mistake occasionally, but you got to be careful and try your best to answer the question that they are asking. Let's check again. Sure enough, I get some confetti and a star. There I go. So great that you stuck with it. Onward. I move to the next question. It says you need to get 3 of 4 questions to level up to familiar. And if you are working on this assignment and you're logged in and I can see you on Classroom or on Khan Academy, that's what I'd be hoping to see, is that you get the 3 of 4 questions and you level up to familiar. All right, hope that was helpful. And feel free to look around on Khan Academy, watch as many of their videos as you like, practice some of this stuff. These are all pretty simple, straightforward examples of how algebra can connect with geometry. And we will definitely see more of this stuff later. If you want to explore onward and get a preview of some of the other things we'll see in geometry, obviously there's a lot of it here. So you can kind of be running this whole geometry class through Khan Academy parallel to what we're doing in my class. It's not required, but it's another way that you can kind of get some extra exposure to all of these ideas. So that's that for this Khan Academy preview. Hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy the rest of your day.